How to contact Qatar Airways customer service. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can contact Qatar Airways customer service. Alright, so let's go right into it. The first step is to log in into your Qatar Airways account, or to enter your open up your web browser, and then in your web browser type out www.qatarairways.com, and then once you've done that, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. As you can see Qatar Airways at the top right corner, and you can see other options as well. So to book a flight, all you need to do is to scroll down, and by the time you scroll down, you would see a box display some options like book a flight, Qatar stopover, manage and check in flight status. So and then by the time you scroll down, you'll see other options as well. So to contact the Qatar Airways customer service, just move to the top right corner where you can see the help option, and then go ahead and click on it. All right, so as you click on it, you'll be redirected to the helps page. Just wait patiently for it to load. So once that's loaded, this is the helps page. On this page, you can now go ahead and ask whichever question you have. You can see the right up which says how can we help. And by the time you scroll down, you'll see similar questions, or you can see headlines that contain questions that you can have. So you can just go ahead and ask questions. You can also share feedback if you want. You can see as many as you want, and then you can just contact directly by chatting with the live chat. But to do that, you have to log into your account first. To do that, just log in and then go ahead and chat with the live chat to have quick answers to your questions. So this is how we can contact Qatar Airways customer support or customer service. It is very simple, and sure you try it out today. Thanks for watching and have a good day.